Morning, it's me. We're back for another one. I've got a big ask. Don't go anywhere, okay? If you're new here, stay. I need to talk to you. I've got something very important to tell you, and I need your money, all right? I don't care. I'm shamelessly asking. We're going out for a job in Frankie. You're coming with me. This is unprepared, so I'm not even wearing my clothes, my normal clothes. I usually wear other stuff. Those of you that are on the channel a lot will know that I usually wear my fighting talk stuff, but I'm not. I've got these on, so we're still safe. Don't worry about that, Colin, health and safety Colin, with your clipboard and your high vis. I don't have a fighting talk t-shirt, sorry about that. I'm sure you'll get over it. I've got a vest though. What have I got to ask you? I don't like coming to you cap in hand and asking for stuff. However, I am involved in trying to get a bench of remembrance, right? For some people from like all of time, like the wars, the wars and all that sort of stuff. But basically, no, Frankie. Anyone know a recovery driver? Frankie won't start, give me a minute. I'm gonna put you there. I should be a recovery driver, right? What have I got to ask you? I'm involved in getting a bench of remembrance, right? Did you know that plastic surgery was invented by RAF surgeons? When people were coming back from the war and they were like all disfigured, some mad doctor, basically, they came up with this thing called the guinea pig club. They came up with the guinea pig club, right? Started reconstructing people's faces, and then eventually it became like celebrities and stuff were doing it. However, plastic surgery was all basically to deal with the facial disfigurements of people in the war. So yeah, that all happened around here, right? So basically, I'm trying to get, I'm involved with the people. They are trying to get a bench of remembrance. And as part of that, we're trying to incorporate Squadron Leader Mark Long, who was the pilot of that Spitfire. So do you remember that Spitfire that crashed a couple of months ago? Yeah, well, he was the pilot of that, and he was from this area, so we've sort of added that to it. The bottom line is, this bench is quite a fancy bench. It's made out of metal, it'll last forever, but the bench costs £1,500. I promise you, you can go on and you can see this. I am going to donate from Sleaford Recovery. I'm going to donate £100. I'm also going to donate £100 from the Fighting Talkers, who are my paid membership on the channel, right? So I am going to put £200 in across Sleaford Recovery and the Fighting Talkers. All I'm asking from you guys, before you all switch off, is to just consider giving £1.
Hi everyone, Chad here. At the time of filming, Ben didn't realize that the minimum donation was £2. Really sorry, but if you can donate £2, then we would all be extra thankful. Thanks, guys.
Let's say this video gets, what, 3,000 views, 4,000 views? Magpie. If literally a quarter of you give me £1, don't even give it me, give it to the Just Giving page that is in the link in the description. I'm not even gonna put in this description of this video how to join my Fighting Talkers. Don't join the Fighting Talkers. You probably should though, it's good, it's really good. But what I am going to ask is, if you wouldn't mind, if you could donate £1, follow the link in the description of this video, and just give us £1. That's all we want. Just if lots of people could just give us £1. What? You find £1 down the back of your sofa. Just give us that. Give us £1. Make a difference to Remembrance, and it will all be there ready for November the 11th, Remembrance, which is very special to me. If you do find it in yourself to donate £1, I will be really, really grateful. I genuinely mean it. Thank you very much if you do. If not, no worries. Just watch me do a recovery, which is what I'm going to do now. All right. Right. So what we got is a Astra. The lady is gone. It's broke down on side of the road. She's in Huddersfield. She's not really. She's in Sleaford, so she doesn't speak like that. Me and my accents and my ADHD. So she's in Sleaford. She wants it to just go back to her house. That's what we're gonna do. So yeah, you can come along, you can watch. Do you know what I might do? I might take you to where this hospital was and where everything happened, right? So where all this plastic surgery and everything, all that started. You can come and have a look. I'm gonna show you. If I'm asking you to donate £1, you can see it for yourselves, all right? Right, strap yourselves in, see you in a minute. Guys, I've got a quick couple of shout outs for you whilst I've got your attention. I've got them written down. Happy birthday to Jim Stafford, and he's at CJV Recovery. So that's from your daughter Georgina. Happy birthday, mate. Keep safe out there. Make sure you've got your high vis on, otherwise you'll get told off by the health and safety police. A big one for the 8th of August, which is to Stuart, and that's from Imogen. So big happy birthday to you guys. If you've got any birthday shout outs you want, send it in. Right, we're nearly there. We're nearly on scene with this car. Don't go anywhere because I'm going to take you and show you this this old hospital, which then became a mental asylum, and it's supposed to be really haunted. And loads of people go in there with like and do like ghost hunting and stuff. We're going to see if we can scare some ghost hunters. I reckon we should put a white sheet on and go in the middle of the night. That could be a good video. That.
I've got an idea.
Let's go and literally scare the shit out of people. There we go. Right. So this, before you all start going,
Oh, you're gonna blow the diff up. You're gonna kill it.
this is going into that estate, right? And this is also the estate where the hospital is. I'm going to show you it in a minute. She had a kid with her and she said, I can't really wait, so she left the key and no one nicked it because it's broke. It's bloody broke, yeah? Da, da, da. Right, so we're all strapped on. Steering lock's holding it, we're not going very far. The big dog is literally taking it in there. It's less than a mile, okay?
So you don't need to moan.
I've not put any lights on it. And then I'm going to take you to see the haunted asylum.
Bit of a random one.
And you'll see what this is all about. Well, I want you to give me a quid. Don't forget, give me a quid. Look in the link in the description. Give me a quid. We got a new super fan. What's your name, mate? What is it?
Stanley.
Stanley? Yeah. That is a cool name. Do you want to give the key to your mum? Do you want to give the key? You can be in charge of that. Oh, what a nice kid. He came up to help. Right. I am going to go and set her up with this lady. I actually recovered that there this week in this boy as well. So I know this road. Right, off. I'm just going to go and see the owner of the car that's going to car heaven tomorrow. Right, that's that car dropped off. Stanley was a big help. He was a lovely purple. Lovely purple. Stanley was a lovely people. We're going to go, I'm going to go and show you now the haunted asylum and see if there's any ghost hunters. It's up here, look, it's a bit spooky. Thanks. But like, look at how old all the street lamps are. This is literally old. This is like, what am I looking for? What's the word I'm looking for? It's scary movie stuff. Wait till you see this. I'm going to show you. Look. This woman's going to think I'm filming her, so I'm putting the camera on. Look at it. Can you see it? Coming into view. Spooky. Look at it. So this is the old governor's house. So this used to be the governor's house of the asylum. So this was all a mental asylum all around here, and they used to do like, I want to show you. Yeah, look over here. So these were all the hospital wings all around here, and you can look it up. What's it called? Roresby Hospital it's called, but this is literally where they started doing, they used to do like brain alterations and stuff on people that they thought were mental. It was a full-on mental asylum, but it's supposed to be properly haunted. Can you imagine living in there? No thank you. I would rather bath my dad than live in there. Oh, look at him, what a boy. What an absolute boy he is. That's the old church, so that's the chapel that used to be obviously just a chapel, and now it's a pub. So yeah, big shout out to the chapel on Greyleys. Yeah, look, there's all the asylum there, you see it? Look at it. Spooky! And there's the chapel. Nice! This whole area around here, this is part of Sleaford, right? It has a lot of links with the military, going back to both wars, everything, and everything in between, and even right up to the current day. A lot of my friends live on this estate, and I think it would be it's really important to commemorate and remember those who have died and gone before us. If you remember, I did a whole Remembrance video last year. That went down really well. Check it out if you haven't seen it. We Will Remember Them, I think I called it. I wonder how I came up with that name. So yeah, guys, that's the main point of this video, really. I want to ask you for a quid. Lend me a quid. Don't lend me, just give me a quid. I am going to put in, I'm going to show you, can see me do it at the end of this video. I am going to put in £100 from Sleaford Recovery and £100 from the Fighting Talkers paid membership. So yeah, if you do want to be a member of the Fighting Talkers, then look at another video and look in the link of that video and you'll see a link to it. I'm not going to put it in this one because all I want is for you to give me a quid. So follow that link and give me a quid. If you don't want to, don't bother. But if you've enjoyed this video and you've enjoyed the bants, then you're welcome back anytime. It's been a pleasure having you in my cab, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. Whatever you do this week, guys, be safe, be well, be happy. I'll see you on the next one. Much love, guys. Take care.
Don't look before you leave.
There we go. Thank you for making a difference. Right, if you want to make a difference too, follow the link in the description of this video, and a massive appreciation from me. Thank you very much. All we want is £1. Just all give us £1, and then we'll get there. We'll get to this target. Thank you very much, guys. See you on the next one.
What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye.